Alright, so in this lab simulation we are going to be demonstrating creating a blob storage on Microsoft Azure. This is the Microsoft Azure Fundamentals simulations course that I am showing off here. So let's get started. Let's open that. Let me fix this window a little bit so it's more widescreenish. There we go. Okay, so in this task we will create a new storage account. So let's do this. We're going to open up our Microsoft Edge. We're going to go to portal.azure.com. And then we're going to sign in. Alright, here we are on the Azure Portal homepage. Alright, so let's go to the three lines up here. We're going to go to All Services. We are going to select Storage Accounts, and then we're going to select Create. And here on the Basics tab, we are going to start filling in information. We're going to leave some stuff as default, like the subscription, the resource group. Our storage account name is going to be storage account only cans. Just make sure everything's spelled correctly. Let's move on. Keep it to US East US. We're going to have standard performance. And we're going to set our redundancy to locally redundant storage. From here, we're going to click Review. And then we're going to click Create. And now our deployment is in progress of our only cans storage. I'm excited. Alright, deployment is complete. We succeeded. So now let's go to the home page, and we're going to, in the search field, type storage. Storage accounts pops up here, and we're going to ensure that our storage account is listed, which it is. Now we're going to work with blob storage. So in this task we will create a blob container and upload a blob file. So we're going to click the name of the new storage account, and then here on this side panel we are going to go to data storage, and we're going to go to containers. Now we're going to create a container, so we're going to click the plus container, which is new container, and then we are going to name this container 1, and we are going to keep this as private, no anonymous access. Okay. And now we're going to click Create. And that was really quick. So there we go. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to open up a new tab here. We're going to go to google.com, and we're going to start searching for them cans for my Only Cans website. So let's take a look at what we got here. Let's see. Ooh, look at this one. So many different cans. So let's save this image on our virtual machine. We'll save this one as old school cans. Let's look for another picture. Here we go. This is going to be some good content on the only cans. Alright, these are going to be the crush cans. Alright, now we're going to go back to the portal. And we are going to click container 1. And then we're going to click upload. And then here we could either drag and drop files, or we could browse and search for files. So we have crush cans. If we want, I can just do a quick drag and drop, show that off. So we did crushed cans. Let's do old school cans, the drag and drop method. Perfect. We have an advanced little option here that shows us the blob type, block size, which is for megabytes. I think that's megabytes with the M, lowercase I, and B. Our access tier is hot, and I agree. Our only cans website's going to be hot, but actually that just means that it's hot storage, which is it's accessible immediately. It's not cold storage or archival storage or anything like that. It's hot. So yeah, from here we're going to select upload. And then, oh, we only have old school cans. I must have did old school cans twice by mistake. So let's do upload again. And let's get the crushed cans. There we go. We got crushed cans, old school cans. And yeah, we can upload as many blobs as we want this way. New blobs will be listed within the container. As you see, we just did 2. We could do 10. We could do 15. We could do whatever our size allows us. So once the file is uploaded, we're going to right click on the file, and we can notice stuff like view, edit, download, properties, the delete button down here. We have some options that we can work with. Alright, next thing we're going to do is we're going to monitor the storage account. So we're going to return to the storage account blade. So let's go here, storage account. Or actually, let me go back to the home screen and then we'll go to storage accounts. Okay, yeah, we're in the right area. Storage accounts here. And the next thing we're going to do is we're going to click diagnose and solve problems. So from here, we can explore some of the most common storage problems, and notice that there's multiple troubleshootings here. There's a lot of troubleshooters here, so just gonna show that off. And on the storage blade again, we are going to scroll down and go to monitoring tab, which is right here. We're going to click insights, and here we can notice that there's information on failures, performance, availability, capacity. You can kind of keep track of everything here. And that's about it. We created a storage account, then worked with storage blobs. And last but not least, before we end this, we are going to, as always, delete everything. So we'll delete our storage account, only cans. And that's it. Thanks for watching.